Welcome to our channel. If you want to add channels or upgrade your DIRECTV stream package for more content, follow these step-by-step instructions. Step 1. Open your web browser and visit the DIRECTV stream website. Log in using your account credentials. Step 2. Click on your account icon and select Account Settings or Manage Subscription from the drop-down menu. Step 3. Navigate to the Add-ons or Upgrade Package section where you can browse additional channels and premium options. Step 4. Review available add-ons such as premium channels like HBO Max, Showtime, Cinemax, sports packages, and regional sports networks. Step 5. Select the channels or packages you want to add by clicking on them. Each add-on displays its monthly cost clearly. Step 6. Alternatively, consider upgrading to a higher tier package like Choice, Ultimate, or Premier for access to more base channels instead of individual add-ons. Step 7. Review your new subscription total, including the base package and all selected add-ons before confirming. Step 8. Click Confirm or Add to Subscription to finalize the upgrade. Changes take effect immediately. Return to the DIRECTV Stream app on your devices and refresh to see your expanded channel lineup. Check your email for confirmation of package changes and updated billing. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.